Welcome everyone to the Guide Hub YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to fix Facebook Messenger notification. Now to do that, first of all you need to open the setting on your mobile application. Tap open setting. Now once you're at this setting page, you need to go to app and notification. Tap that, and from there you need to tap open the messenger. Tap on see all apps, and from there you need to open the messenger application. Tap on it. Now here on the messenger app info page you will tap on notification. So here you will be able to fix the Facebook Messenger notification issues. Currently the notification for the messenger is turned on, so I will be able to receive all the Facebook notification. You can see all has been turned on. So if you are not getting a particular notification from the messenger, it might be the issue that option is turned off. So let's say if the chat is turned off, you will not be able to get a message notification when somebody texts you on messenger. So make sure that all the toggle in here is turned on. So this is how you will be able to fix messenger notification. You can also do it in the messenger application. Tap open it, tap on the profile icon, scroll down and tap on notification and sound. Here also you will have the option to make the changes for the messenger notification, that is the ringtone, the on and off toggler. You can mute notification. If you mute your notification, you will not be receiving any text, message, call for the amount of time period that you have chosen in here. Likewise, you will have the vibration, in-app sound and all the other option in here. You can make the changes in here and fix the issues that is occurring in your messenger notification. So this is how you can fix Facebook Messenger notification. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Guide Hub YouTube channel. Thank you.